안녕하세요, 여러분. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Korean language class. Let's start learning Hangul easily and enjoyably from now on. Let me start from the brief introduction to the Korean language and Hangul. Korean is the official language of the Republic of Korea, and it is used by approximately 78 million people around the world. As of 2023, Korean is the 14th most spoken language in the world. Do you know what the most spoken language is? Yes, it's Chinese, and it's followed by Spanish and English. Interestingly, Korean is the 7th most desired language to learn as a foreign language worldwide. And I can say it is largely thanks to K-content such as K-pop and K-drama. The Korean alphabet, Hangul, is Korea's unique and remarkable phonetic script. There are several thousand languages currently spoken, but less than 100 of them have a writing system. Hangul is the alphabet that anyone can easily learn. Therefore, thanks to the Hangul, which can be easily learned, the illiteracy rate of South Korea is close to 0%. Hangul possesses 40 letters with 19 consonants and 21 vowels. The consonants of Hangul are made by imitating the speech organs used to produce each sound. For example, this consonant, its sound is M. M. And what speech organ do we use to make the sound? M. Yes, it's lips. So this square-shaped consonant is made by imitating lips. The vowels are made by combining the dot, which symbolizes the sky, and horizontal stroke, that stands for the earth, and the vertical stroke, which represents the human. The sky, earth, and human are the most important elements of the universe, and vowels are made by combining them harmoniously. The Korean alphabet Hangul was created in 1443 by King Sejong and his scholars. He was the fourth king of the Joseon dynasty, the dynasty which existed before the establishment of Republic of Korea. And Hangul was proclaimed in 1446. Before the creation of Hangul, Korean people borrowed Chinese characters for writing because we did not have our own writing language. However, Chinese characters were not suitable for expressing the Korean language and were difficult to learn, especially for commoners and women who had less access to education at the time. So, many Korean people had trouble in expressing their thoughts in writing. And King Sejong invented our own writing system, which is easy to learn. That was a very brief introduction to Korean language and Hangul, and I hope it helped you understand better on them. Now let's start learning Hangul. We will begin with the vowels. As mentioned earlier, Hangul has 21 vowels. When writing Hangul, there is an important rule. You must always write from top to bottom, left to right. The first vowel is ah, ah, ah. It is written in two strokes, from top to bottom, a longer stroke, and left to right, a short stroke. Next vowel is aw, aw, aw. This vowel is pronounced similarly to the aw sound in the English word honest, 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 aw. It's written like this, 1, 2. This is o, o, o. It's made by rounding lips. It's written like this. 1, 2. And this is oo, oo, oo. The vowel oo is also pronounced by rounding the lips. But the lips are pushed further forward compared to when pronouncing o. O, oo, o, oo. It's written in 2 strokes. 1, 2. This is It's written in 1 horizontal stroke. And this is e. It is written in 1 vertical stroke. And its sound is e. It's written in 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. And its sound is e. There is no distinction between the previous e and this one e. Only the spellings are different. But even though there is no distinction difference in the pronunciation, according to the spelling in some words and then sentences, meaning can be changed. It's written in 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. And let's review the 8 vowels we learned today. A, O, O, U, I, E. Korean syllables are formed by combining consonants and vowels, and there are 4 structures. First is the vowel-only syllables such as a, o, u, I, e. The second is the combination of a consonant and a vowel like ma, mo, mu, mi. The third type is a syllable made by combining a vowel and then a consonant, such as om, The last and most complex one is made by combining the first consonant, a vowel, then a final consonant, which comes as the last sound of its syllable. Since Hangul syllables are formed by combining consonants and vowels, when writing a syllable consisting only of a vowel, a filler is needed in the space for the consonant. The filler is silent. When forming a syllable, the consonant is placed on the left side of vertical vowels such as a, ya, o, yo, I. And the consonant is placed on top of the horizontal vowels such as o, yo, u, u. Here is a syllabic block of a consonant and a vowel. When a consonant is combined with a vertical shaped vowel, the consonant is placed on the left side of the vowel. And when a consonant is combined with a horizontal vowel, you should write the consonant on the top of the horizontal vowel like this. By the way, how should we write a syllable consisting only of a vowel without a consonant? In this case, a filler is used in the place of a consonant. So, I can say, the filler is used in the space for the consonant to fill the empty space like this. Syllables consisting only of a vowel are written like this. When writing words or sentences, if there are syllables made up of only vowels, you should write them this way, and their sounds are same. A, o, u, I, e. Let's practice reading the vowel-only syllables. A, o, u, 으, 으. 이, 이. 에, 에. Here are the Korean words formed by vowel-only syllables. Let's try reading this. I. It means a kid, a child. This is 오이. It means a cucumber. And this is A. It means the alphabet A. In today's first Korean class, we introduced Korean and Hangul and learned the 8 basic vowels of Hangul. A, O, U, I, E. In the next video, we will learn the basic consonants. Please practice reading and writing the 8 basic vowels we learned today. It's the end. 감사합니다. Thank you.